Hi guys, I'm at work. So you might be wondering why are you making a video right now? And because a girl is bored, like sitting at this desk, so let me show you what I got. I was not given a straw. I will survive. Just being silly. Okay, so this is what I do. I sit here and I work. And I don't get a straw with my coffee, which is fine. They give me 4 pickles. Is that typical? It's so echoey in here. I look like an idiot loser freak. No napkins too, by the way. That's fine. So, my coworker came by and I got really embarrassed. I feel like an idiot chud drinking out of it like that. Work paused. This is Becca, how can I help you? Spam calls at the desk? No. I got the regular spicy sandwich, but I added jalapeno. An onion, maybe? I can't remember if it came with onion, but I know I added jalapeno and it's really good. Double thumbs up. Fries. Just tastes like Wendy's fries, you know. Honey mustard. Honey mustard gets for my drink. Honey mustard for my drink. If you know, you know. Love to drink honey mustard. Love to drink iced coffee. I ordered it off Grubhub, so I don't remember like if in. This is Becca, how can I help you? One shift, I got 60 spam calls. I don't know if they got rid of the item because I haven't been in person and I just Grubhubbed this because I was working. Did they get rid of the caramel frosty cold brew? Where they would put they would put the coffee with the frosty. It was really good. It was my favorite thing ever. Did they get rid of that because that was really good? And it was like $3. Why am I doing this? Was that satisfying? Let me know. One of my coworkers is supposed to be stopping by today, so sorry, I just got a text from an idiot chud. This is Becca, how can I help you? Hello. Whoa. Holy freak.